You are holding a domino barely 5 millimeters tall. You press it with one finger, it falls, it barely makes a sound. The room stays still, nothing seems different. Nothing about this moment looks like it matters. But once a physicist looked at this and couldn't look away. His name was Lorne Whitehead, physicist, 1983. Each domino can topple the next 1.5 times taller. A tiny push grows to 51 joules by piece 13. 2 billion times the energy you started with. 29 pieces from 5 millimeters. Empire State Building height. That's not poetry, that's physics. Your habits work exactly the same way. Each small win falls into the next, each one taller than the last. One skill makes the next one easier. You only ever have to push once. The first domino was never small. It was the beginning of the whole chain. Follow for more mindset and business content. If you're ready to learn a beginner-friendly AI system, DM DOS99 star, and I'll send you the free masterclass.